for pins over here at the Screen Door General Store here at the boardwalk. We'll see what we can find.
Oh, lost another one.
Nowhere. Realistically, ever gonna use.
Bitch stamp.
That's weird. Taste it.
We have Dumbo cookies right here. So cute. Pin board, please. We are now over here at the yacht club.
You guys all set?
It might actually be better to explain anyways.
Look, you guys, is that Ariel right there? We made it to the beach club to check out their Easter egg display and also to pin trade. Here's the Easter egg display here at the beach club. See Stitch right there, bursting out of an egg. We have a Peter Pan right in between him. And then we have Mr. and Mr. Potato Head. Aladdin right there in the middle. And if you can see, there is a lamp inside that tiger's mouth. It's hard to see. You got the classic Mickey, Daisy Duck, Madame Leota. They have Alice in Wonderland. They have Beauty and the Beast. This one says, "Welcome to Pixie Hollow" right there. I like the Kingdom of Agrabah right there behind the Aladdin egg. Then they have a Zootopia one. Like there for kids over here at the beach club. It's very pretty. Here's one of our pin trading spots over here at the marketplace. We're done at the beach club and we're going to go back to the boardwalk. It's Creamery. Let's see what they have. Look, they have a little pin board ice cream here at Ample Hills Creamery. Okay friends, we are headed home. Thanks for hanging out with us. Please click like and subscribe. Bye.